Okay, I'm recording.
Go!
You can let go.
Quan, what are you doing?
Come up this way.
Look at mommy. Go.
Come up here.
Woo!
Yay! I see you. You can't look backwards. Wow.
Big boy.
So that's okay.
So we're going to keep on going. And my cousin not going to let me fall. What are you doing?
Chase.
What are you doing, boy?
Chase. Chase. Come here, honey. Yeah, come to mommy. Come to mommy.
Woo! Come on, let's go. Woo! Let's go. Come on. You can do it.
Yay! Look at you.
Big boy.
Come on up.
Uh-oh, you got it? Come on. Come on, let's go.
You're doing so good. Uh-oh.
You got stuck? Come on. Come on. Woo! Let's go. Come on.
Yay! Come to mommy.
Let's go. Come on, Chase.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on, Chase, if you don't get up those stairs. Come on. Let's go.
Wow.
Come on.
Yay!
Go ahead. Go, go, go.
Come this way.
Come on.
Hey.
Get up.
Come on.
Come on.
You see Jordan? Come on, let's go.
Come to me.
Get that cue.
Good job.
Get that cue, man.
Come on, keep coming.
Let's go, Quan.
Yay. Yeah, I see. You're almost there.
Don't just hit the step, go up the step. Thank you. Woo, let's go. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Lobo.
Come on.
Go, Lobo.
Be nice.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, come on, Fast Poke. Come on. Let's go.
No. Come back this way.
Come on, Fast Poke. Let's go. You can do this. Yeah, I can do this. Can you do that? What do you see? What do you see? I got it. What was it? I don't know. Something I picked up.
Come on, let's go. You're almost done.
Come on. Come on. Woo! Let's go. What do you see now? Come on, Ashy Tashy. I got it. Go.
Come on.
Come on. Look. You see it? It's right here.
You're almost finished.
Come on. Come on, Pablo. Let's go.
Yay.
look at this. You have to try to climb up the stairs, not over there. One more time. One more time, bro.
Go out of
Yay!
You ain't gonna win. He's like, what?
I did.